this makeup look is coming next, or maybe it should be first. I think it's first. Whichever one you see first, just watch. Yeah, anyone, it will work. All right, guys, I don't go. Peace. How did they do that peace thing? Peace. Do you know how MJ does peace? MJ does peace like that. MJ do peace, so he said MJ do peace now. MJ will do like this. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl IJ. If this is your first time being here, you're most definitely welcome. So today I have another video for you guys, and this is basically sharing with you guys some of my favorite. So let's just jump right into it and see what I have for you guys. So the very first product that I have, this is the L'Oréal Paris repairing shampoo, and this is the Elvive brand. I really love, seriously, I went to Myers the other day. I was looking for a shampoo for my hair because I have natural hair. So I stood there for almost 15 minutes or 20 minutes thinking like, which product am I going to use, like which one is going to be good. So I was drawn to this particular one, and just because of the black color, I kind of liked it, you know. So the appearance drew me closer to it, so I decided to pick it up. So boy, I tried it, and if you have natural hair, you need this in your life. You need these two products in your life, the conditioner and the shampoo. You need it, seriously. It makes your hair, it leaves your hair so soft and nice. Like, I didn't even have to struggle to comb my hair, seriously. That's how good the product is. So if you're looking for a good foundation, if you're looking for a good conditioner and shampoo, try this particular product. Look, and I have some few blushes here that I want to share with you guys, just two of them actually. Now this is the NYX Professional Makeup multi-purpose buffering blush. This blush is what you need to apply your foundation. This is the best blush I have used for foundation in my life, in my makeup life. Seriously, I'm thinking of going to get a second one because that is how good the blush is. Like, it applies your foundation smoothly. There are no streaks, nothing at all. This particular blush, I'm not sure how much it retails for. Maybe I don't think it was more than $20 though. It's kind of pricey for a single blush, but it does a good job. Now the next blush that I have is this one from Miss Glam. I got this from these people, Epsy. Epsy is a company online that you subscribe to, and they send you 5 makeup products every month for just $10. So they sent me this particular blush, and I have been using this blush ever since I got it to apply my highlighter on my cheekbone. Now, if you've seen most of my videos, you have seen me use this blush. This blush is the best. I used to use this fan blush, but it's not as good as this. So if you're looking for a good highlighter blush, this particular one is good. I know they have different blushes. I've never tried their blushes, but this one, and it feels so soft and nice. Perfect for highlighting. So the next thing that I really love so much is this exfoliator, and this is from the company TRUFORA. I don't know, I haven't used a product before, so I got this from Epsy as well, or Epsy, however they call it. I got it from them as well, and this is their triple action exfoliator. Boy, you need this product, seriously. If you're looking for an exfoliator, something that will clean your face, leaves your face soft and nice, you need this. And it feels so creamy, like it applies easily on your skin. It's kind of white, so you just apply it, you know, you massage it into your skin. It has some little particles in it, like sand or something, and it really exfoliates your skin. Like, it leaves your skin feeling so soft and nice. That's it I have behind my hand, and you're supposed to leave it in for like 15 to 30 minutes or something. No, 15 minutes, and then you wash it after. That exfoliator is the best I have used so far, so I'm thinking of getting it. It's the brand, it's the company TRUFORA. So let's jump right into eyeshadows. I have 2 eyeshadow primers that I really do like or love. One is on the pricey side, and the other one is a drugstore, so you can easily get it. So this one is the Ruby Kisses eyeshadow primer. I love this eyeshadow primer. Ever since I got it, I have been using it. When you apply it on your eyes, it's kind of it has a whitish this thing is a little bit watery or something, but it applies like this, like that's the color, and you just pat it into your eyelid. Then it's going to feel sticky. When it's a little bit sticky, then you know it's so that's how it will appear after you've applied it into your skin or pat it into your skin. Then it feels a little bit sticky. So when it's completely dried down, you can go ahead and apply your eyeshadow. It pops out the true color of your eyeshadow. Like this thing, it works wonders. And it doesn't crease. It doesn't cause your eyeshadow to crease. You know, there's some eyeshadow primers that you use and your eyeshadow crease by the end of the day. This doesn't cause your eyeshadow to crease. So this is a good drugstore eyeshadow primer that you can get for less than $10. The other one is the one from Urban Decay. It's almost the same thing like the Ruby Kisses, but the Urban Decay one is a little bit more creamier and it has a thicker consistency. It's more buttery than the Ruby Kisses one, and this one dries clear, like you could hardly see it on my skin. So yeah, so these two eyeshadow primers are good. If you need an eyeshadow primer that is not expensive, you can get this from the drugstore. If you want to spend some money on eyeshadow primer, then you can get the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer portion. I have used different face moisturizers in my life, but the one that I love so much, because the kind of foundations that I like are the matte foundations. So when you're using the matte foundation, you want something that will keep your skin moisturized as much as possible. This one by Fenty Beauty, this is the best of them all. It's not a mattifying primer. It leaves your skin moisturized and smooth, and it has a matured smell to it. Like, it's not an overpowering smell. It has a very soft and nice smell to it. I love this face primer. Ever since I got it, I have been using it like every day if I have it when I'm applying my foundation. This is how it looks. It's a little bit off. It's an off-white color or something, or color. And you just massage that into your skin and it feels so soft, so soft. If you're one of those who are drawn to things that makes your skin feel soft, you definitely like this primer. I have just one foundation I'm going to share with you guys. Yes, I have different foundations that I use for different purposes, or depending on how long I'm going for the day, like, you know, how long I'm going to wear my foundation. But I have one drugstore foundation that ever since I got it, I have loved it, and I was able to find my shade. I don't know if you guys remember, in most of my videos I have always used like 2 different shades and I mix and match in order to get my shade, but I was able to get my shade. So the foundation is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation, and I use the shade 330. And it comes with a pump, which is a plus. For a drugstore foundation, most drugstore foundations don't come with a pump. That's one annoying thing. But this foundation right here, it applies smoothly on your skin. It's matte. It lasts for a long time. For the price point, less than $10 or less than $11, you can't beat this with a stick. Seriously, this foundation is one of the best foundations that I have used in my makeup life. Yes, so I will recommend, if you're looking for a good foundation and it covers up your blemishes or your dark spots good, like this is the foundation on me right now. This is the foundation on my face, so you can tell like how good this foundation is. If you see my skin looks flawless. So this foundation, I will recommend it if you're looking for a good foundation. So like I said, I use the shade 330, and it applies. See how soft that applies, like good, like smoothly. This foundation and this blush are the best. You can give me this and I'm good. Going on to concealers, one of my best concealers that I use all the time is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I've also used the other one, the one from the beauty supply shop. How you call that one again? The LA Girl Pro concealer. I love that concealer, and I love this one most. I love this one because it tends to hide my under eye line. So if you're looking for a good concealer for your under eyes, to cover your under eye bags, to cover the under eye lines, this concealer is a good concealer. It's very, very creamy, and it's full coverage, like full coverage. A little goes a long way. That is it right there. I use the shade Tan Sand. TANSAND, yeah, that's it. And it's very creamy as well. Yeah, so I love this concealer. I'm not a cream contour girl. I try as much as possible to use less product on my face, so I normally do not cream contour. So I use powder contours. If you see most of my videos, I use powder contour. Either I use that from NYX or I use this one from L'Oreal. Now this is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. This is what I use to contour, and I use the shade C8. This is Cocoa. That is what I use to contour. You can use this. It is a face powder. You can use it to contour. You can use it as your face powder. I love this because it gives me that nice blonde. Like this is the powder I use in this video to contour my face, and it gives me that nice blonde that I look for when I am contouring. So this here is one of my favorite contour products. The best highlighters that I have used so far that I really love through my makeup journey is this one from Maybelline New York, and this is the Master Chrome metallic highlighter. I love this highlighter. It's very it feels very buttery or something, and it's pigmented. Like, look at that. Let me just add a little bit. Like, look at that. It's very pigmented. I mean, it's not as pigmented as some of the high-end highlighters, but I gravitate towards this one more than some of the high-end highlighters that I have. Now I also have this one from Maybelline. This is a Maybelline eyeshadow and baked highlighter palette. I love this palette to death, seriously. These highlighters, if you've seen, I've used it like so much. It's almost gone. Maybelline, thank you so much for this palette. So I've been using the SACHA Buttercup setting powder for a very long time, and this is what I've always used to set my under eyes or the places that I use concealer. This doesn't give no flashback, and it matches my skin tone. Like, it doesn't give the whitish thing, the whitish cast underneath your eyes. So that's why I really do like this particular one. The second one that I really love that I just picked up from Ulta the other day is the Makeup Revolution baking powder, and this is in the shade Banana. This powder is very good. The SACHA Buttercup is like 20 bucks, 19.99, I think so, and Makeup Revolution is less than $8. So if you're looking for a cheap or a less expensive, not say cheap, a less expensive setting powder, you can get this from Ulta, and it's very beautiful. Like, it does the same thing just as the SACHA Buttercup. Now, the one that I use to set my entire face is the one from Smashbox, and I have oily skin, so I look for something that will give me that dewy look, but that's not still oily, and this has been doing the job for me. There's some drugstore ones that you can definitely use. There's this one by Maybelline. Is it Maybelline? I'm not sure about that, but this here, you can see it's almost finished. Like, ever since I got it, I have been using it. So this is the Smashbox primer water, and this is a good setting spray for those who have oily skin. So if you're looking for one, you can try this, and you can get this from Ulta. So I have one last product that I want to share with you guys, and this is something that I have been doing for some time now. Now, I used to go to the nail shop to get my nails done, but if most of you know, I do hair, and boy, when that acrylic thing starts to lift up, hair gets cut into it and all of that, and I hate it like hell. So I decided to try this press on, this iron press on, and this is the best thing that has helped me. This is exactly what I have on my nails right now. I use this is my go-to. Like, if I don't have time to do my nails, this thing has been saving my life ever since I tried them. So if you're looking, you want to look good, you want your nails to look on point, but you don't have time to go to the beauty supply shop, or you're not into acrylics, then this is best. Now, the one other thing that I really love about this, it doesn't destroy your nail. When I started doing all that acrylic and all that nail things, boy, my nail was as soft as what? Like, any little thing, it would just crack. Any little thing, it would just break. But this preserves your nails from all of that filing and all those chemicals and everything. You can pop this anytime and you can pop it out anytime. So this has actually saved my life a lot. I have different styles that you can choose from. I think it's a little bit expensive though, for $7 for nails. Like seriously, I don't know, that's just my thoughts. So, and the glue on it lasts long, because the first time I tried it, I thought it was going to come off like the next day, but boy, this thing kept me, it took me for like 3 days a week. No, like 3 days or 4 days. I was shocked, seriously. So this is my life. Thank you. So guys, that's basically it about this product. I hope you guys were able to find something that will make your makeup different, or that you really do like. If you guys want to see more videos like this, of this nature, just leave me a comment in the comment section. Thank you guys so very much for watching. This is my very first video on sharing with you guys my favorite, so I might have not done a good job, but hey, take it as you see it. So thank you so much for watching. If you're not part of the family yet and you think you really want to support me in any way, you can support me by subscribing. Hit the subscription button and do not forget to turn on the bell button by the side, so that when I upload, you will be the first to know. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed and be good to yourself. Ciao.